In this video you will learn how you can make your first HTML web page with only using Notepad. Every HTML page starts with opening HTML tag and ends with closing HTML tag. Within HTML opening and closing tags we add head and body tags. Inside head tag there goes title of the web page, which is visible at the browser tab. Now simply save this file in your computer with .html extension. Once you save the file, go to the file and right-click and open with Chrome or any other browser that you use. There you see the same title in your web page browser tab that you entered within title tag. Now go back to your Notepad file and put h1 tag within body tag. Now enter your heading text inside h1 tag. I enter John Smith as heading. Now save the Notepad file and go back to your browser and refresh the page. There you see heading text John Smith is visible in the body of the web page. Similar way, you can also add smaller headings using H2, H3 and H4 tags. To add the paragraph text we use P tag, by simply putting paragraph text within opening and closing P tag. To display the listing of some items we can use AL and OL tags with LI tag. OL stand for ordered list. UL stand for unordered list. To add images within HTML page we make use of IMG tag. Unlike other tags we seen so far, IMG tag is self-closing tag and doesn't have separate closing. We have this image in our computer. I will copy the name of this image.
Go back to Notepad and paste the image name with an src attribute inside IMG tag like this.
Now go to the browser and refresh the page. There you see the image within the body of web page.
In the paragraph you can put the line breaks by using BR tag, which is also a self-closing tag. Remember that every time you make any changes in Notepad, you must have to save the file and refresh the browser to make changes visible in your web page. You can also indicate some part of your paragraph text as bold and italic by using B and I tag. Your first HTML web page is ready now. If you go through the video and perform all course of action shown in this short video, you will in the right path of web development and explore further from here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and take care.